Hello everyone, welcome back. So now it's time that we are going to do a quick revision in our EVS. And in EVS, what we are going to revise? Transports. If you remember in the previous class, we have learned about we have revised about helpers. So now we are going to do a quick revision about transports. What we have learned about this topic from our book and through these videos. Okay, till now. So class, the very first thing when I introduced the topic transport, what I taught you. Can anyone tell me what are transports? Transports किनको कहते हैं? The vehicles, the way we can move from one place to another. That is travel. Clear? And transport is किन चीजों को यूज करके हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं. So we have learned about four ways. That is land or road transports, where I told you how different vehicles have different number of tires to move. We have two-wheelers, the one having two tires. Like we have bicycle, then we have bike, we have scooter, we have scooties, isn't it? All these are two-wheelers, जिनमें two wheels होते हैं. Wheelers is number of wheels. Okay, so when I am saying two-wheelers, जिनमें two wheels होते हैं, two tires होते हैं, दो पहिया वाहन जिनको हम कहते हैं. So what are the different examples? Bicycle. आपकी जो बाइसिकल होती है उसमें टू व्हील्स होते हैं. देन स्कूटर, पापा स्कूटर चलाते हैं, अगेन उसमें टू व्हील्स होते हैं. बाइक है तो भी टू व्हील्स हैं. या जो स्कूटी मम्मा राइड करती हैं, अगेन दैट इज हैविंग टू व्हील्स इन इट, isn't it? Then we learned about those vehicles which are having three tires, like tricycle. छोटे छोटे बच्चे चलाते हैं ना, that has three tires. Tricycle. Then we have rickshaw, cycle rickshaw, जिसको एक अंकल साइकिल की तरह चलाते हैं. Again, that is having three tires. Then we have learned about auto rickshaw, green color वाला जो होता है. One is green, one we have black, bigger in size. तो जो black वाला होता है, that is for sharing. Many people can go. But the green one is, that is we can take the whole, हम उसको पूरा फेयर देते and we can use the whole auto rickshaw for our own self. Okay, so that is again a three-wheeler. Any other example of three-wheeler class? We have tricycle, we have auto rickshaw, we have cycle rickshaw. Then any other example? Just think of once and tell me fast. Any other three-wheeler example? नहीं है? है ही नहीं, कहाँ से आएगा? Okay, then comes four wheels. Two हो गया, three हो गया. Now it's time for four wheels. So we have many things, many vehicles having four wheels. Like we have car, then we have van, we have taxis, we have different, there are so many models in the cars. We have vans, taxis, and yes, something else. Ola, Uber cabs also. They are also four-wheelers, isn't it? So four-wheelers होते हैं जिनमें four tires होते हैं. समझ में आया? Four-wheelers are having four tires. Then next comes is six-wheelers, जिसमें six tires होते हैं, जो बहुत बिग वाले व्हीकल्स होते हैं. So can you tell me examples of that? Yes, we have bus, very good. We have truck. Then there are many different trucks we have. They are having four-wheelers. Sorry, six-wheelers. Some are carrying many heavy loads. तो उनमें क्या होता है? They again have eight wheels also, जिनमें बहुत सारी सामान कैरी होता है. Some of them are very big in size. तो उसमें 8 wheels तक होते हैं. तो जैसे जैसे हमारे व्हीकल्स का साइज इंक्रीज होता है, number of the tires also increase. Why? क्योंकि जब व्हीकल बड़ा होता है, when the size increase, उसके ऊपर weight increase हो जाएगा सामान का, या if passengers are traveling तो weight increase हो जाएगा. So to manage that, we keep on increasing the number of tires. Clear everyone? So this is all about land and road transport we have learned. So now there are many types of vehicles with, we can classify them with their tires. Clear? Next one is air travel. So air travel कैसे करते हैं? हवा में कैसे travel करते हैं? Can anyone tell me? Air means हवा होती है, travel मतलब घूमना होता है. हवा में कैसे घूमते हैं? ऐसे ऐसे, ऐसे ऐसे तो नहीं घूम सकते हम हवा में. So how we travel in the air? We have different transports for that also. Yes. So can anyone tell me the different transports of air? Yes, the vehicles that can fly in the air. We have aeroplane, very good, helicopter, then we have hot air balloon, we have gliders, we have rockets. So if we want to travel in the air, अगर आपको ऊपर हवा में उड़ना है तो आपको क्या जरूरत पड़ेगी? Either you will be requiring an aeroplane or a helicopter or a rocket or hot air balloon or a glider. So these are the vehicles that can fly in the sky. अब air में travel करने के लिए हमें sky में ही fly करना पड़ता है. You cannot move on the road. These aeroplane, helicopter, glider, ये they cannot move on the road ना, because they are so big in size. They need special space to take off or to land. Clear? So air travel is, we have learned about those vehicles that can fly in the air. Understood? Then next we have learned about water travel. So what is water travel? When we are traveling using waterways. What are waterways, class? Waterways is, what are waterways? जब हम पानी के रास्ते कहीं आते जाते हैं, travel करते हैं. So if you are using any waterways, तो कार में बैठे, कार चलाई, पानी को क्रॉस करा, रिवर को या सी क्रॉस कर ली, या एरोप्लेन से क्रॉस करी. You need something else. Yes. ना तो आपकी कार वाटर में चल सकती है, ना एरोप्लेन फ्लाई कर सकता है वाटर में. So what do you need at that time? You need ship, boat, then ferries. All these things you need to move on water. And different types of boats we have, like we have rowboats, the one जिसमें हम ऐसे oars को चलाते हैं. Then we have motorboats, जो मोटर से चली जाती है. Then we have sailboats, जिसमें बहुत बड़ा कपड़ा लगाया जाता है, जिसको हम सेल कहते हैं, और वो उसकी हेल्प से मूव करता है जब एयर ब्लो करती है. So that is sailboat. Clear? So these are different type of boats we have. Then we have ferries, we have ships, big ships that can carry so many things. Do you know? Not only human beings, बहुत सारा सामान जैसे हम ट्रक्स में लोड करके रोड के थ्रू कैरी करके लेके जाते हैं. सिमिलरली वाटर से भी शिप्स में बहुत सारा सामान वाटरवेज यूज करते हुए वी सेंड टू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, और वहां से और भी सामान हमारे यहाँ आता है. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द वे वी ट्रैवल फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. एंड वन मोर वे दैट वी ट्रैवल इज on the track. So what is on the track? Track पे क्या चलती है? Trains. Yes. So अगर आपको कुछ ऐसी जगह जाना है जहाँ बाय रोड जाने में टाइम ज़्यादा लग जाएगा, और you want to enjoy your journey, तो you can use these trains. They move on the track. These tracks are on land only, so it's a part of land or land transport. But train has a special route. ये नहीं है कि जैसे रोड जा रहा है, रोड पे से ही हम लोगों ने ट्रैक्स लगा दी. नो, दे हैव अ स्पेशल रूट ऑन विच दीज ट्रेन मूव. and they go from one place to another. Again, trains maybe we have different trains, like we have metro rails, we have mono trains, we have passenger trains, we have goods trains. तो goods trains क्या होती है? जो आपका सामान कैरी करती है. Clear? Earlier these aeroplanes and all were not so much in use. तो हम क्या करते थे? Trucks और trains का use किया करते थे. Is that clear to everyone? So this is all about the different ways that you can travel from one place to another using any way you like to. And if I tell you which is the fastest means of travel जो बहुत जल्दी आपको पहुंचा सकती है, that is your air travel. एरोप्लेन में बैठो, fly करो and you can reach anywhere as fast as possible. Clear? Okay, class, if you remember, मैम ने आपको एक poem कराई थी in which we were having all these transports together. You remember that? Let's revise once. Aeroplane, aeroplane, up in the sky. Say with me. Aeroplane, aeroplane, up in the sky. Helicopter, helicopter, bye, bye, bye. Car and scooter on the road. Bus and truck carry the load. Boat and ship sail, sail, sail. Boat and ship sail, sail, sail. I love my chuk-chuk train. I love my chuk-chuk train. So just sing once again with me. Aeroplane, aeroplane, up in the sky. Helicopter, helicopter, bye, bye, bye. Car and scooter on the road. Bus and truck carry the load. Boat and ship sail, sail, sail. I love my chuk-chuk train. I love my chuk-chuk train. So, if you will listen it carefully, if you will sing, you will find we have added all these different ways of travel. You will find the name of different transports in this rhyme, isn't it? Okay, so class, now after the transport theme, after understanding about different ways of travel, we have also learned how using different things we can communicate with our friends, we can talk our friends. Now see, whenever we are talking with each other, it is always said that we sit in front of each other, isn't it? जब भी हमें किसी से बात करनी होती है, हम उसके साथ बात करनी पड़ती है. But अब मैम आपको पढ़ा रही है. Earlier it used to happen, आप स्कूल आते थे, मैम क्लास में पढ़ाती थी. But if you are not able to come to school, still you are learning things. How? With the help of new technologies, isn't it? So we have never thought of learning things or doing teaching learning process using mobiles. So nowadays mobile, laptop, your desktop and different apps are the things that we can use to communicate with each other. आपके मोबाइल में कितनी सारी चीजें होती हैं. We have video calls, we have video chats, then we have WhatsApp calls, chats, where we can talk to our friends looking them in video. हम video call कर सकते हैं. तो when we are talking on video, it looks as if the friend is just sitting in front. But in earlier time, when mobiles, laptops were not there, how we used to communicate? मैम ने आपको बताया था. We used to write letters, cards, और वो हम post करते थे. So again, postman, a very कहते हैं ना good helper, जो हमें हमारे friend से connected रखता था. Then he used to come, give you the letters of your friends. आपके letters वहाँ पे आपके friend के पास पहुँचते थे. And this was the way we used to talk our friends when we were not meeting them. Clear? But now we have so many new things where and so easy to talk with friends, sharing pictures, sharing our thoughts, our वर्क कितना अच्छा लगता है। आपने कोई ब्यूटीफुल सी ड्राइंग बनाई, फटाफट से पिक्चर क्लिक करी और आपने अपने फ्रेंड को या फैमिली मेंबर्स को शेयर कर दी व्हाट्सएप पे। अर्लियर व्हाट इट यूज्ड टू हैपन, हम ड्रॉ करते थे, फिर उसको एक एनवलप में डाल के हम शेयर करते थे, नहीं तो समर वेकेशन तक की वेट करते थे कि कब हम नानी हाउस जाएंगे और वहाँ पे अपने फ्रेंड्स को, अपने ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स को वो सब दिखाएंगे। Isn't it? So now we have so many new things that are keeping in touch. So class, keep yourself in touch with your studies also, as from Monday you are having your assessments. All the best for that. This is the last class for the session. Hope to meet you all soon in the upcoming session in the classrooms. Bye for now. Take care.